Okay, so good morning, good morning. Today is March 25 and it's my first date of my lion diet. So in lion diet, I will eat more protein, fats, fish, egg, cheese, mayo, I think. And so hopefully because I have a goal losing something because I know I already have a good figure, not really bragging, but it's but I still have a fats here hiding inside. So here, this fat, this fat, yeah, that one. Inside of that fat is already a muscle. So maybe if this lion diet will succeed, um, I will share to everybody and I will really broadcast it to everybody. So I will teach it. So hopefully this lion, because I try many diet. I already do the intermittent fasting. I do the fasting and I got lose my weight, but the fat is still here. So hopefully this is stretch mark and this fat here from my birth, hopefully it will be gone. Okay, so let's check out what is my weight today. So today is 55.7. 55.7 I start today. So we will see tomorrow morning what is my weight. Okay, for as of now, thank you all and namaste.
I'm deployed now. Here's the home with my baby. How many chicken you eat, baby? Just one, are you sure? Me, I'm sure that I eat a half of it together with the leg.